Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another actually it's quite a few knives. It won't really be a short video. Maybe it will, I don't know. An unboxing video. Just an unboxing today. Just a first impressions video, not a review, of a bunch of new Kizer knives. Can't wait to check out what Kizer is bringing us here at the end of 2024. There's a chance you're actually watching this in 2025. So hello from last year. Just depends on when I scheduled it. Thanks so much to Kizer for sending this stuff in. As per usual, I will link everything down in the description so that you guys can check this stuff out if you want to. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's up to you. The Beaver and D2 and my Carta. Okay. So that means we have a budget fixed blade. Bless it. Okay, we got it open there. Give me a sec here. Smaller fixed blade, I can tell. Yeah, okay. Does it look like a beaver? Yeah, okay, kinda, I guess. I don't know. Depends on your definition. Anyways, we have a small... Sorry. I'm sorry. Let me... Okay, we have a small fixed blade here with a hole in the back. I gotta move on. I gotta move on. It's cool. I'm sure it's very inexpensive, and we'll get the sheath here. So stupid. I'm 37. Yeah, it's fine. This will make for easy carry, and it's pretty cool. Okay, the next knife. What we've got here is Oh, okay. I didn't know you guys were going to do this, huh? The Mini Momo. Let me tell you guys right now, the Momo is one of my favorite knives that Kizer has ever made. Oh, it's purple. Purple. Sorry, my kids have been watching Cuphead on Netflix, and those guys always talk like this. It looks purple. So now it's stuck in my head. But yeah, that works really well, actually. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect size. So the Momo, the standard Momo is huge. Because of this giant open ergonomic profile, this smaller one actually ends up being a perfect EDC size knife, while we still have that, the initial edge comes to, come on camera, right here. Yeah, first part of the edge does touch a flat surface, meaning you could do some very mild and in-the-moment food prep with something like this. That would work. I do like the purple aluminum. I think that looks nice. Of course, we have the nested liner lock. Absolutely love this knife, and in 154 cm. Probably a really, really nice price tag. And as far as front flippers go, which I will tell you guys, I don't like knives typically where the only means of deployment is a front flipper. This is one of the best out there because of the space between the back of the frame and where you go to brace against the front flipper. It's nice and wide. This is sticking up quite a bit, and the detent is actually nice and heavy, but really easy whether you like to do the side of the finger or your thumb. But yeah, actually, I really like that one. That is cool. I did not know you guys were going to do a Mini Momo. It's also really fun to say. Mini Mystic, also fun to say. Nitro V, I think is what that said. Oh, Mystic, wow. Have I looked at the Kizer Mystic? Do you guys, what is this material? I always forget. Acrylic. That's not why did I forget that word? Okay. Is this Paul? It is. It's Paul Munko. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, actually, that's a really neat look. I do like that quite a bit. We have the white, that's not G10 or... That's aluminum. Interesting. White or like raw. It's not white, it's just raw aluminum. Okay, yeah, that's cool. I like that one too. All right, moving on here. What do we got? What do we got right here? Just trying to keep, every time I do a Kizer unboxing, my office is just trashed. And we got a full-size Momo. Oh, wait a minute. What? Damascus has... What the heck is this? Oh, it's like a G10 Damascus. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is cool. Okay, let's read this again. Black G10, Damascus G10. Okay. Yeah, so there's the full-size one. God, I love this knife. This is such an awesome... I highly recommend you add the Momo or the Mini Momo to your collection just to put a smile on your face. There's something about the profile of this knife and the way that it... I'm trying to do it left-handed to demonstrate. But the way that it operates and the way that it looks in both the open and closed position, it's such a clean and streamlined knife. This is kind of a boo Halloween aesthetic, but fine, whatever. The nice thing is because of the materials, it's not going to fall into an incredibly expensive, price parameter, I guess. So there's the big one and the small one, both very easy to get a full, even, I wear an XL glove. Obviously, there's plenty of room on this one, but even on the smaller guy, plenty of room, right? Very cool. Let's go ahead and open up. See, I was wondering if they had like a premium Momo and it was going to be this one. This is called the Feeweed Titanium and Toxic Storm S90V. Toxic Storm is what happened to my family during this last stomach bug. That's how I would describe the entirety of our house is Toxic Storm. Still afraid to touch doorknobs in this house, but anyways, okay, that's not quite as intense. It is roughly the same color though. I'm sorry, TMI. But all right, that's kind of cool. We got the S90V gray. I'm not sure what the finish is there. Does it say? What happened to the box? Here it is. Titanium, it just says S90V blade. I'm not sure exactly what the finish is. The opening of this is a bit awkward. I kind of wish that this was a little bit like open. I wish it was extended a little further down. But once you get it, it's fine. It's a front flipper. Probably not horrifically expensive. I'm curious about how Kizer is heat treating their S90V. Unless I'm just stupid and I can't remember. I feel like S90V is not commonly used on Kizer knives. No contouring. We've got some nice inlay work. Kizer does a really good job. Same finish on the titanium here. The frame lock is slightly underneath this inlay here, which is kind of neat. Yeah, okay. Nothing crazy, but it's cool to see Kizer working with S90V. I'm almost certain that the end result of that is S90V for not a super high price tag, which is always nice to see. It's kind of been Artisan Cutlery dominating at the $200 price territory in S90V, but maybe Kizer's going after the same thing. Did we get them all? Yeah. Yeah, because we got the fixed blade, which I couldn't... it sent me into a little bit of a laughing fit there. But yeah, okay, all really cool models. Wow, we did that in 8 minutes. Amazing. So I'll link all this stuff right down below. I imagine Kizer's having a holiday event. They almost certainly are. I just cannot remember. Truthfully, if you're still watching here at the end of the video, every company who sends me stuff, they always tell me about some event or some promotional or this or that. And Kizer, if you guys are watching, that's great. I know, people buy this stuff and they use my links. I can't remember what's going on. I like showcasing stuff. If there are, I never know exactly what's going on. So hopefully the links go to the right events. But it's just hard to keep track of everything. Usually, obviously, if it goes directly to the website, you're going to see the event anyway. But it's just, I'm not intentionally ignoring you. There's just, it's just really hard to keep track of. So these are all cool. I'm a big fan of the Mini Momo. I think that's probably my favorite of the bunch. Very cool. Any knives that I have not reviewed, save for the fixed blade. So this guy and probably this guy I'll do full reviews on. Everything will end up as a giveaway item eventually on one of my live streams. So thank you very much for providing some more knives for giveaway and for review. That's going to be it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.